So anybody watching, we just started now. Talking about Rashmirati, written by Ramdhari Singh Dinkar, a very famous poetry. So it goes like this. Once upon a time, Krishna, Lord Krishna, he went to Kauravas as a peace ambassador. He said the war, we're going to have this literally a war. So let's have peace. Let's, without escalating the war, just do little thing. Just give 5 small villages to the Pandavas. Just do that. And we will not get into war. We will live happily. You have everything, whatever you want. We are ready to sacrifice. Okay. So just give 5 villages to the Pandavas and everybody will be happy. No war. It was very nicely, very soft spoken. It was like a request made by the Lord himself to the Kauravas, to the Duryodhan. And he was in the middle of, the complete setting, Darbar. And everybody was there. All the people were there. Duryodhan and hundreds of Kauravas and everybody. And Krishna requested. But what happened was a disaster. Duryodhan insulted Krishna. Lord Krishna. He said, he mocked him, he made fun of Lord Krishna. And literally, he asked others to arrest him. To arrest Lord Krishna. And then what Lord Krishna said is Rashmirati, is put in poetry. Then Lord said, it's time to fight back. I'll read the poetry. You understood the context? First the Lord was kind, but when Lord was put into this context, this problem, when Lord himself was made fun of, when the God himself was asked to put in chains, was asked to get arrested, then he gave this reply. Everyone, I'm going to read this out. And then I'm going to play an audio. I'll tell you what is the context for you. Okay, let's go slowly. It is in Hindi, how much ever you understand. Okay, I'll just read it and then we'll play a beautiful, powerful track. So this goes, the poetry like this. After Duryodhan made fun of Lord Krishna and asked for his arrest, this is the thing which Krishna said. Everyone, please listen to it. Here we go. This is from Krishna himself in form of poetry. मैत्री की राह बताने को, सबको सुमार्ग पर लाने को, दुर्योधन को समझाने को। मैत्री की राह बताने को, सबको सुमार्ग पर लाने को, दुर्योधन को समझाने को, भीषण विध्वंस बचाने को, भगवान हस्तिनापुर आए, पांडव का संदेशा लाए। दो न्याय अगर तो आधा दो, दो न्याय अगर तो आधा दो, पर इसमें भी यदि बाधा हो तो दे दो केवल 5 ग्राम, रखो अपनी धरती तमाम। हम वही खुशी से खाएंगे, परिजन पर असी न उठाएंगे। दुर्योधन वह भी दे न सका, आशीष समाज की ले न सका, उल्टे हरि को बांधने चला, जो था असाध्य साधने चला। जब नाश मनुज पर छाता है, पहले विवेक मर जाता है। हरि ने भीषण हुंकार किया, अपना स्वरूप विस्तार किया। डगमग डगमग दिग्गज डोले, भगवान कुपित होकर बोले. नाउ कृष्णा सिंह, जंजीर बढ़ाकर साध मुझे, हा हा दुर्योधन बांध मुझे. यह देख गगन मुझ में ले है, यह देख पवन मुझ में ले है. मुझ में विलीन झनकार सकल, मुझ में लय है संसार सकल. अमृत व फूलता है मुझ में, संहार झूलता है मुझ में. उदयाचल मेरा दीप्त भाल, भूमंडल वक्ष स्थल विशाल. भुज परिधि बंद को घेरे है, मैं नाक मेरु पग मेरे है. दीपते जो ग्रह नक्षत्र निकर, सब है मेरे मुख के अंदर. दृग हो तो दृश्य अकांड देख, मुझ में सारा ब्रह्मांड देख. चर अचर जग क्षर अक्षर, नश्वर मनुष्य सुर जाति अमर. शतकोटि सूर्य शतकोटि चंद्र, शतकोटि सरित सरसिंधु मंद्र. And Lord goes on to say, from till here the Lord is saying, giving challenging Duryodhan. शतकोटि विष्णु ब्रह्मा महेश, शतकोटि विष्णु जलपति धनेश. शतकोटि रुद्र शतकोटि काल, शतकोटि दंड धर लोकपाल. जंजीर बढ़ाकर साध इन्हें, हा हा दुर्योधन बांध इन्हें. भूलोक अतल पाताल देख, गत और अनागत काल देख. यह देख जगत का आदि सृजन, यह देख महाभारत कारण. मृतकों से पटी हुई भू है, पहचान कहा इसमें तू है. अंबर में कुंतल जाल देख, पद के नीचे पाताल देख. मुट्ठी में तीनों काल देख, मेरा स्वरूप विकराल देख. सब जन्म मुझी से पाते हैं, फिर लौट मुझी में आते हैं. जिह्वा से करती ज्वाल सघन, सांसों में पाता जन्म पवन. पड़ जाती मेरी दृष्टि जिधर, हंसने लगती है सृष्टि उधर. मैं जभी मूंदता हूं लोचन, छा जाता है चारों ओर मरण. बांधने मुझे तो आया है, जंजीर बड़ी क्या लाया है. यदि मुझे बांधना चाहे मन, पहले तो बांध अनंत गगन. सोने को साध न सकता है, वो मुझे बांध क्या सकता है. हित वचन नहीं तूने माना, मैत्री का मूल न पहचाना. तो ले मैं भी अब जाता हूं, अंतिम संकल्प सुनाता हूं. याचना नहीं अब रण होगा, जीवन जया कि मरण होगा. टकराएंगे नक्षत्र निकर, बरसेगी भू पर वही प्रखर. फण शेष नाग का डोलेगा, विकराल काल मुंह खोलेगा. दुर्योधन रण ऐसा होगा, फिर कभी नहीं जैसा होगा. भाई पर भाई टूटेंगे, विषबान बूंद से छूटेंगे. वायस श्रृगाल सुख लूटेंगे, सौभाग्य मनुज के फूटेंगे. आखिर तू भूषाई होगा, हिंसा का पर दाई होगा. थी सभासन, सब लोग डरे, चुप थे या थे बेहोश पड़े. केवल 2 नर ना घाते थे, धृतराष्ट्र विदुर सुख पाते थे. कर जोड़ खड़े प्रमुदित निर्भय, दोनों पुकारते थे. जय 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 जय. ओके, how much ever you understood. In this poetry, Krishna is just not showing his ego, who am I? Krishna is telling him the real power. You don't know who you are trying to arrest. I told you with sweetness. मैंने प्यार से मोहब्बत से कहा, तुझे पता नहीं तू किसे बांधने चला है. अब याचना नहीं, अब रण होगा. This is the time to fight back. This is the time to show who I am. And that's what happens. Everything, the whole Kauravas are destroyed, and people who are at the side of Krishna, the Pandavas, are victorious. Now, what does this poetry to do with? This poetry to do in this new year? Okay. Understand the feel of it. Life had challenged you. People had criticized you. Your own mind created so much self-doubt. Maybe I cannot do it. Maybe I can do it. You know? Just think of it like this. In this beautiful meditation, I'm going to play some powerful audio. Think of yourself at the place you are, that being. And you are saying this to all your challenges, all your doubters, people who doubt you, to all your self-doubt, to all your negative beliefs. This time you're rising like Krishna and you're saying, Ab yachana nahi, ab ran hoga. This year, in 2026, I'm going to come out victorious with fire. And this time I'm going to show to the world who I am. This is you're saying to all people who pull you down, who criticize you, who think you're no good. This is the poetry you're going to say to everyone, especially if you have a self-doubting person inside of you who said, you can't do it, you're not that good. This 2026, you're going to fight. Yachana nahi, ab ran hoga. Okay, this inner rebel is going to just absolutely pump in. Okay, fantastic. If you don't understand the lyrics, fine. I'm going to just play in just a bit. Just get the vibe of it, just feel of it as the meditation goes. Okay, here we go. Everyone, let's start. Chest out, shoulders back. Keep your chest out, shoulders back, chin parallel to the ground. Very slowly we get into this powerful zone. Chest out, shoulders back. Take your hands like this. Put your hands high in the sky. Beautiful. Keep your chest out, shoulders back, left on your right. Kindly close your eyes. Close your eyes, and with your eyes closed, with your body absolutely loose and relax, chin parallel to the ground, you're going to start breathing in slow and deep with the count of 4. Hold for the count of 2, and very slowly exhale from your mouth with the count of 8. 4 to 8. 1, 2, and 3, my friend. Let's start. Breathe in slow and deep. Eyes closed. Breathe in slow and deep. Exhale very slowly. Breathe in very slowly. Fill in your chest. And exhale very slowly. This New Year 26. With inhalation, breathe in all the confidence. And exhale all the doubt. Enjoy breathing in slow and deep. Very slowly. Very, very slowly. With every exhalation, feel the doubt going out, confidence increasing in. Breathe in slow and deep and exhale slowly. Beautiful. Just relax your body. Keep your body loose and relax. Breathe naturally right now, my friend. Breathe very naturally. Keep your body loose and relax. My dear friend, just imagine the beautiful golden light. Like a waterfall from the skies, it is coming and flowing and entering from the top of your head and slowly filling your entire body. Feel this golden light of absolute confidence and courage entering inside of you. Filling up your head, your face, your neck, your chest, and slowly going down up till your feet. Just feel this golden light, divine golden light. This is the golden light of confidence, this divine golden light is light of Lord Himself, light of Krishna. On this year 2026, think of all those people who may have mocked you, who didn't believe in you, who may have insulted you. Think of your own image who's doubting you. The part of you who says you can't do it. You're just too big for the dreams. Today you're going to give a befitting reply to all these haters, to all those people who pull you down. Today you are going to give a powerful reply. Feel this golden light of Krishna inside of you. Just imagine yourself, you're growing in big stature, big height. Feel the Vishwaroop. You have kindly told those people, you have kindly told yourself that you can do it, but that softness hasn't worked. This time the God within you is going to speak. And on this 2026, it's going to be a super start. This is what you're going to say. This is what you're saying. These are your lines. This is your warning to everyone who doubted you. This 2026 is your year.
वर्षों तक वन में घूम घूम बाधा विघ्नों को चूम चूम, सहधूप घाम पानी पत्थर, पांडव आए कुछ और निखर। सौभाग्य न सब दिन सोता है, सौभाग्य न सब दिन सोता है, देखें आगे क्या होता है।
Your fortune was and will not sleep forever.
मैत्री की राह बताने को, सबको सुमार्ग पर लाने को, दुर्योधन को समझाने को, भीषण विध्वंस बचाने को, भगवान हस्तिनापुर आए, पांडव का संदेशा लाए। दो न्याय अगर तो आधा दो, पर इसमें भी यदि बाधा हो तो दे दो केवल 5 ग्राम, रखो अपनी धरती तमाम, हम वही खुशी से खाएंगे, परिजन पर असीना उठाएंगे। दुर्योधन वह भी दे न सका, आशीष समाज की ले न सका, उल्टे हरि को बांधने चला, जो था असाध्य साधने चला। जब नाश मनुज पर छाता है, पहले विवेक मर जाता है। हरि ने भीषण हुंकार किया, अपना स्वरूप विस्तार किया, डगमग डगमग दिग्गज डोले, भगवान कुपित होकर बोले, जंजीर बढ़ाकर साध मुझे, हाँ हाँ दुर्योधन बांध मुझे। यह देख गगन मुझ में लय है, यह देख पवन मुझ में लय है, मुझ में विलीन झंकार सकल, मुझ में लय है संसार सकल। अमरत्व फूलता है मुझ में, संघार झूलता है मुझ में। उदयाचल मेरा दीप्त भाल, भूमंडल वक्षस्थल विशाल। भुज परिधि बंध को घेरे हैं, मैनाक मेरु पग मेरे हैं। दिपते जो ग्रह नक्षत्र निकल, सब है मेरे मुख के अंदर। दृग हो तो दृश्याकांड देख, मुझ में सारा ब्रह्मांड देख। चर अचर जीव जग क्षर अक्षर नश्वर, मनुष्य सुर जाति अमर। शतकोटि सूर्य शतकोटि चंद्र, शतकोटि सरित सर सिंधु मंद्र। शतकोटि विष्णु ब्रह्मा महेश, शतकोटि जिष्णु जलपति धनेश। शतकोटि रुद्र शतकोटि काल, शतकोटि दंडधर लोकपाल। जंजीर बढ़ाकर साध इन्हें, हाँ हाँ दुर्योधन बांध इन्हें। भूलोक अतल पाताल देख, गत और अनागत काल देख। यह देख जगत का आदि सृजन, यह देख महाभारत का रण। मृतकों से पटी हुई भू है, पहचान कहां इसमें तू है। अंबर में कुंतल जाल देख, पद के नीचे पाताल देख। मुट्ठी में तीनों काल देख, मेरा स्वरूप विकराल देख। सब जन्म मुझी से पाते हैं, फिर लौट मुझी में आते हैं। बांधने मुझे तो आया है, जंजीर बड़ी क्या लाया है। यदि मुझे बांधना चाहे मन, पहले तो बांध अनंत गगन। सुने को साध न सकता है, वह मुझे बांध कब सकता है। हितवचन नहीं तूने माना, मैत्री का मूल्य न पहचाना। तो ले मैं भी अब जाता हूं, अंतिम संकल्प सुनाता हूं। याचना नहीं अब रण होगा, जीवन जय या कि मरण होगा। टकराएंगे नक्षत्र निकर, बरसेगी ऊपर वंध्य प्रखर। हण शेषनाग का टोलेगा, विकराल काल मुंह खोलेगा। दुर्योधन रण ऐसा होगा, फिर कभी नहीं जैसा होगा। भाई पर भाई टूटेंगे, विषबाण बूंद से छूटेंगे। वाय श्रृगाल सुख लूटेंगे, सौभाग्य मनुष्य के फूटेंगे। आखिर तू भूषाई होगा, हिंसा का परदाई होगा। थी सभा सन्न, सब लोग डरे। चुप थे या थे बेहोश पड़े। केवल दो नर न अघाते थे, धृतराष्ट्र विदुर सुख पाते थे। करजोड़ खड़े प्रमुदित निर्भय, करजोड़ खड़े प्रमुदित निर्भय। दोनों पुकारते थे जय जय, दोनों पुकारते थे जय जय।
My dear friend, Duryodhan is your doubt. Duryodhan was your, all those people who cursed you, criticized you in this 2026. It's time to show who you are. It's time to show your real power, show your Vishwaroop, This is the time that inner rebel rises and crushes. This is your year of superpower. Don't need to be too soft. It's time to fight back. Take one deep breath, my friend. With this deep breath, with your eyes closed, with this superpower, with this fire in your eyes, with this energy of Krishna and confidence, I want you to just imagine as if you're sitting in front of a cinema hall. You're sitting in front of a cinema screen. And the 3 goals that you had written, the 3 inspiring goals, just see them coming true. See the goal 1. Let's start. Remember, we written the 3 inspiring goals day before yesterday. Just see that one inspiring goal in the front of your eyes, as if getting achieved. This time, see your body language. It's a different you in this 2026. It's a powerful you who's achieving these goals. Just see this goal 1 in this year 2026 getting achieved, and how people are reacting, how people are applauding. Feel this confidence. The goal 1 is achieved. Feel the joy. Feel the confidence. Just see in your mind screen, it is achieved. Just see the confidence with which you're walking. There's fire in your eyes. In this 2026, you have achieved this inspiring goal. See how your family and friends are proud of you. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wonderful. My dear friends, see the second inspiring goal which you had written? Just see it is coming true in this 2026. Just visualize. The person who's achieving this goal is this fire person. the Krishna Swaroop, the Vishwaroop. Just see in 2026, you're making the goal achieved. You're making it happen. Fantastic. Beautiful. Enjoy it. Feel it. Feel the joy. The goal is achieved. Your friends, your family are really proud of you. Fantastic. My dear friend, keep your right hand on your heart. Keep your right hand on your heart. Okay. And repeat the following lines after me, little loudly out of your mouth. This 2026 is my year. I'm going to live this year with courage in my eyes. This year I'm going to show to the world, I'm going to show to myself how the lion roars. In this year, I'm not going to be a sheep. In this year, I'm going to be a lion. Nobody can mess with me. This is the time to fight back. This is my year. Year of success. This is my year of abundance. This is my year. I'm going to be the superstar of my life. In this year, I'm going to achieve all that I've decided. This year is my year, and nobody can stop me. My dear friend, take a deep breath. Take a beautiful deep breath. And slowly, gently exhale. And open your eyes with a smile on your face. Courage in your eyes and love in your heart. Fantastic. Slowly, gently open your eyes. This 2026 has come, my friend. The sole purpose of today's session was, we all think of ourselves way too little. People show fingers, we feel low. Krishna in this beautiful poetry told us that you should request, you should be nice. But if you're pushed too much against the wall, show your Vishwaroop. And my dear friend, each one of you, you're no less. The element of God is within you. And let that element of God be shown on this year 2026. Live with absolute fire of Krishna in 2026. Oh my God, oh my God. No, no more of that. You have arrived in 2026. Let yourself know that. Let the world know that. Happy New Year 2026. Loads of love. Hare Krishna. Thank you. See you. Thank you so much, everyone. Just type HNY, just type LY in the chat box and have a beautiful day. Love you. Love you all. Love you. Love you. Thank you. Happy New Year. Good day.